Okay, so I got a very special recipe for you. And by the way, welcome to Volume 2. And I have a lot of episodes coming this volume. So hope you stay with me and you follow me and subscribe. I really would appreciate it. That's a very special recipe for you. And it's for those vegans out there, or anybody who just loves stir fry and seafood mixed together, and who likes to eat healthy. Okay, the only thing that's fattening in this dish is really the butter that I saute with. But everything else is healthy. I'm using vegetables. I'm using shrimp, smart food. Okay, so the ingredients for this recipe, which is called vegan shrimp. It's called vegetable stir-fried shrimp roll-ups. Alright, and the ingredients: teriyaki sauce. I'm going to use that to the shrimp, the cooking the shrimp. I got some vegetables: zucchini, white onion, scallions, and some banana pepper. Alright, and I plan on small dicing and sizzling the onions, the banana peppers, and the zucchini, and also souffling the scallions. I got some garlic, 1 clove of garlic to give it flavor, some mozzarella cheese to add to it, and to make it gooey and add to it, and give it a little bit of saltiness. And I got some shrimp. I got about 5 pieces of medium count shrimp. So the first step is what I'm going to do is I'm going to break the garlic, and I'm going to chop up the garlic and put it in the mixing bowl. Okay? First step. I want to get a good dice on it. I want to show you what I'm doing. I want you to see what I'm doing. I'm just going back and forth with the knife. Back and forth with the knife. Back and forth with the knife. In a 1-2 motion. In a 1-2 motion. Okay? Now I'm going to add this to the mixing bowl. So that's going to get sauteed. All the other vegetables. Next, I'm going to chop up the onion. I'm going to cut half an onion in half. And then I'm going to sizzle it. Okay. Sizzle it. That didn't come out exactly as what I wanted it to come out as, but I'm just gonna finely chop it. Finely chop the onion. Put it on the table. Put it on the table and finely chop the onions. Okay, so looks good enough. I'm gonna go over it another time. So basically, I just past shaved the onion, and that's basically a French term. That's French. And I'm gonna throw it in the bowl. Throwing that in the bowl with the garlic. Next, I'm going to chop up the scallions. Okay, you better believe it. You need some green onion in there. Especially if it's a Japanese dish, which this is. It's stir fry. Stir fry shrimp. Okay, now I'll throw that in. We'll get a little bit of color, some greenery. After that, the banana peppers. I'm gonna julienne it, the banana peppers, and I'm gonna dice it in small dice. Julienne and then small dice. Okay. I'll cut long ways and then cut it into cubes, small cubes. Cut it long ways and then small cubes, just like this. Okay. And then in the mixing bowl. Alright. Then next is zucchini. Cut both ends off the zucchini. And this is going to be product waste. We don't need that product waste. Cut the zucchini in half. Okay. Then cut the zucchini in half again. Now we're gonna slice it. We're gonna slice it in rectangular shapes, round shapes. Okay. After that, this goes in the pan, the mixing bowl. Okay. And I'm gonna take it over to the stovetop, and I'm gonna show you the magic of how I cook this. Okay, so I'll be back. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so I'm at the stovetop with y'all. I got my knife, gold knife. All right, it's pretty, and I got the corn on the cob. Okay, I'm gonna cut this corn on the cob. I'm going to cut the corn off the top, alright? And I'm going to add that to the vegetables. I'm just going to slice off the sides, okay? As you can see. Just see what I'm doing. Slicing off the sides. Okay, there's 4 sides you gotta cut off. You get all those corns, get all the corn out. Okay, and then you're gonna take the corn, throw it in the mixing bowl. Give the mixing bowl a good mix. Okay. Next, take in the shrimp. We're gonna throw the shrimp, and I'm gonna sear it. I'm throwing the shrimp on, I'm gonna sear it. After that, take a little bit of onion powder. We're going to season the vegetables with onion powder. Then, to give it a little bit extra flavor and to turn it orange, I'm going to put some Szechuan seasoning in it. Orange seasoning, see? Szechuan. I'm going to turn it orange. I had the half packet to it. Then I'm gonna mix it up. You got enough for about 3 wraps here. I got enough for about 3 wraps. And toss it in. Saute. Add a little bit of butter to it. You want to get it sweated. We want to sweat the vegetables. Get it sweated. And the shrimp, we just want to cook on 3 minutes on each side. Basically, 3 minutes on each side. I'm going to show you what's going on, ladies and gentlemen. Okay? So, I got the vegetables cooking and sweating. Alright, every now and then you want to stir it around. Okay, the medley. This is the medley. Okay, vegetable medley. You want to stir this around. Okay, get it sauteed. You want it to sweat and saute. Okay. All right. So as far as the shrimp goes, okay, you see the shrimp. The shrimp you want to cook and sear it for about 3 minutes on each side. So I'm gonna flip it right now, because I already think it's already had that much cooked. It's been cooking on that side for 3 minutes. I'm gonna flip it. Okay. And when the shrimp is done, I'm gonna drain it. I'm definitely gonna drain it. Okay. Okay, getting cooked really well. Everything is. Watch this. Watch it. That's the pros, man. That's how the pros do it. Okay. I'm gonna turn this on low and let it simmer on low. It's already basically cooked. The shrimp is almost done. What I'm gonna do, rip off the tails. Rip off the tails. Hot. Rip it off. Okay. It's hot, so gotta be careful. Okay. Next, I'm gonna cut it up, because I'm only making 1 serving size. And 1 serving size, 1 wrap calls for 4 shrimp. One wrap is 4 shrimp for the serving size. Okay, remember that. One wrap is 4 shrimp for the serving size. Okay. So, we're going to take this. So, I'm going to take some of this vegetable medley. I'm going to put it in here and save some for another wrap, because I'm only making 1 serving size, so it doesn't make sense to put all the shrimp in there at once. Okay, I'll save this for another day. And teriyaki sauce. That's it. Not too much, just enough. Also, I feel like it doesn't have enough garlic in it, so I'm gonna put a little bit of fresh minced garlic in there. And I'm gonna let it simmer on low for a minute. Okay, next, gonna wrap it up. We'll take the contents of it, throw it in the middle. Okay. Go in the middle, just like that. Fold each side, flip, make it flat, and then make it flat again, just like this. Then I'm gonna put it on the skillet, and then I'll take a picture and show you the final recipe. Thanks for tuning in, fellas, to another episode of Kyle's Kitchen. Thank you for watching.